we are going to do it in the book. So the first question, as I read the question for you all. 18 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So 18 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. It is also divisible by 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So 18 is divisible by 2 and 3, and it is also divisible by their product, that is 6. Similarly, a number is divisible by 4 and 6. Any number is divisible by 4 and 6. Can we say that the number must also be divisible by 4 6 are 24? So means their product. Can we say? So first and foremost, we will use the property which we have done. When two numbers are co-prime and any number is divisible by these two co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their products. Like for example, 18 divisible by 2, 18 divisible by 3, 2 and 3 both are co-prime. What is the definition of co-prime? Their common factor should be 1. Okay. Therefore, this number is divisible by their product also. Clear? So, this is the property. Okay. This property is for co-prime numbers. If a given number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product also. So, any number is divisible by 4 and 6, it should be divisible by their product also. For that, 4 and 6 should be co-prime numbers, means the common factor should be 1. So, but when we check here, the factors of 4 and 6, the common factors of their is 1 and 2 both. Okay. That means 4 and 6 are not co-prime. 4 and 6 are not co-prime. That means any number is not necessarily divisible by 4 and 6 will be divisible by their product. Right? Because this is not satisfying the property of co-prime numbers. Okay. So, if we take any number, suppose if we take 24 only. 24 is divisible by 4. 24 is divisible by 6. 24 is divisible by their product. Why? Because the product is the same as the dividend. Now let's take any other number. Let's take 12. 12 is divisible by 4? Yes. 12 is divisible by 6? Yes. Is 12 divisible by 24? No. Got it? So this is how it does not satisfy the property. So answer should be what? For 11th one? No. Example, 12 is not divisible by 24. Now the next question number 12. I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. So there should be 4 different prime factors. There should be 4 different prime factors. So it is the product of 4 different prime factors. Yes, we all know prime factors are written like this. So there should be 4. They should be different. And this number is the smallest number. So can you find me? Me means not me, but the number. So if it is the smallest number, then prime factors also will be the smallest. So we start writing with the smallest prime factors. That is 2, 3. Next smallest prime factor and the next smallest prime factor. Got it? The product of this will be the answer. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 into 7. So this is your answer. So there only in the book, children, you will write like this. Okay, so this completes your exercise 3.5. Now, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now let's circle the common factors. Who all are the common factors? 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Yes. So what are the common factors here? 1 and 2. Now, who's the greatest of 1 and 2? Who is greatest? 2 is bigger. So 2 will be considered as highest common factor. Yes. This we have done before also. Before starting exercise 3.5 or 3.4. So this was just a revision. How to find the HCF. We write all the factors, then we see who is the great, who all are common, and then out of common who is the greatest. So this is how we get the HCF. And the HCF is also named as, because the HCF is what? It is the divisor. Yes, apart from being a factor, it is a divisor. It is common and it is greatest. So it is also named as greatest common divisor, that is GCD. It is also known as GCD, that is greatest common divisor. Clear, children? I hope there is no doubt. Now there are some questions given in try these, but there is no place. So let's start the try these in copy. Okay? They are easy ones, so we will do the easy method. Try these from page number 63. We are going to write this. Page 63. Page 63. Find the HCF of the following. So, find the HCF of. Children, you can find the HCF with the method named as the factor tree method also. How? We have done this in our previous classes also. We will do it here also. So like for example, the first one is 24 and 36. So let's see. How can you write 24 in a factor tree? 6 4s are 24 and no, because 6 6s are 36. 6 and 4, 2 is common. 12 2s are 24 and 12 3s are 36. Anything common here? These two are common. Now let's talk about the uncommons. The uncommon factors should not always be prime, but nothing should be common in between them except for 1. Okay, like for example, when before I was writing here 6. Okay, I was writing here 6. I'm going to give the explanation about that. 24 and 36. So if I write 24 as 6 4s are and here 6 6s are, I get a common factor? Yes, I do get a common factor. This is a common factor. But when I talk about the uncommon factors, that is 4 and 6, nothing should be common in between them except for 1. So, but when I check for 4 and 6, I see that 2 is common. You know, 2 is a factor who is common. So, that means 6 is not the highest common factor. Okay, that means this sum is wrong. You will have to search for any other number. Okay, so that when you get a common number, apart from that, whatever are the extra numbers, extra factors which you got for the questions, nothing should be common in between them. Okay, except for 1. So here, who is the HCF? coming out, which is uncommon. Nothing should be common in between them. Like for example, 2 and 3, nothing is common in between 2 and 3. The common factor of 2 and 3 is only and only number 1. That means you can say 2 and 3 are co-prime. So this completes the first one. Immediately we go to the second one. Second one is 15, 25 and 30. 15, 25, 30. So 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. 5 fives are 25 and 5 sixes are 30. Okay. Now again we check the common number here. Who is common? These three are common. Now what is uncommon? You have to check that also. 3, 5 and 6. Now here you cannot say that 3 and 6 something is common. It should be uncommon in all three together. Okay. Means इनका common factor 1 आना चाहिए. All together. So what is their common factor? 1. Yes. 5, 6 and 3, because 3 and 5 both are prime numbers. So the common factor is 1. So who is the HCF? HCF is the common number 5. 8 and 12. So the common factor of 2 and 3 is 1. Yes, it is 1. That means answer is correct. So बिना किसी डर के you can write HCF is equal to 4. This completes the third one. Then we go to the fourth one. Numbers, you must be thinking, 4, table of 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 7s are 28. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 7s are 28. What is common? उसको हम circle बना लेंगे और chain बना लेंगे उसकी. Yes? Now, what is uncommon? Double line it, underline, double line here. Is there common factor 1? 3, 4, 7. Yes, the common factor is 1. Nothing is common apart from 1. That means whatever answer has come, that means the common number is correct. So this completes the try these.